fine.
Do we have any first timers on board? Any first timers? Any first timers? Oh, me too! We're on the same boat! No. Any last timers on board? Any last timers? Oh yeah, everyone's hand should be raised. Not too soon. I just ruined the ending, guys. You know, Titanic sank in 3 hours. I can sink this boat in 3 minutes. World record! I know. Alrighty, we're just waiting for a few more suckers who mean sailors joining us. Alrighty, welcome. Watch ahead, watch your step, and hold on to those rails. Alrighty, if I can have some of you scoot up to the side over here, all the way where the doorway. If I can have that back row, scoot up to the doorway. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna have the rest sit right here in the middle boxes for me, right in the middle boxes. Have you sit right there in the middle boxes for me. Alrighty, we're just waiting for those 3 magical words. Alrighty, wave goodbye to the people at the dock. Bye! Yeah, we'll never see them again. Alrighty, on the count of 3, you're gonna cheer for me really big. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Welcome aboard, everyone, to the world's famous jungle cruise. My name is Yanni, and I will be your skipper. Yeah, for as long as we got so safety first, please remain seated at all times. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And parents, please watch your children. Hey, in case anything happens to fall out of the boat, please raise your hand. I will raise mine, and we will wave bye to it. Alrighty, we begin our adventure on the right-hand side, where you can see the mysterious Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where the famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is looking for the world's greatest treasure. You know, folks, I don't know why he's looking in there, but clearly, now we're standing right here. Guys, that was funny. Thank you. Alrighty, we are now entering the ancient Cambodian shrine. On your left, you'll be seeing the Himalayan tiger. Yeah, you'll see Himalayan there, Himalayan there, Himalayan everywhere. Alrighty, folks. So everyone wave goodbye to my friends from high school. Bye, friends from high school. Yeah, we have a lot of history. Alrighty, we are now entering the secret meeting pool of the Indian elephants. Everyone repeat after me. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. Looks like the herd is out. You know, it's very unheard of. Yeah, but don't worry. You can take as many pictures as you like to stare as long as you want, because they all have their trunks on. Now, that is Birdie. Birdie likes to take long showers. Do you want to know how I know? Because of all those wrinkles. Everyone wave goodbye to Birdie. Bye, Birdie. Kids, you know, that goes to show you what happens when you take a shower. You turn into an elephant. Almost happened to me once. Just kidding. Oh, no, squirt, buddy, get down. Yeah, good boy. Don't worry, folks, he's not going to come back up. Oh, no, he's coming back up. I'm not kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, no, Jerry, here for you guys. We're not in danger. Oh, I lied. We are in danger, but don't worry. I know exactly what to do. Keep going. Oh, no, look at that. The eggs are calling all the shots. Everyone, duck. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I saw a duck. Oh, hey, isn't that horrible? They left the lights on their vehicle. Oh, rude. Alrighty, folks, we are now entering banana country. So keep your eyes peeled because we might have to split. Oh, no. Folks, if anyone is wearing yellow, please do not make any sudden banana noises. Yeah, they find that very appealing. Anyway, behold, the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Don't worry too much about that, folks. We will go over that later. Alrighty, we are now entering the Nile River, the longest river in the world. It can go for miles and miles and miles. Yeah, if you don't believe me, you're in disbelief. Yeah, already right there you can see it's an African bull elephant. You can tell it's an African bull elephant from its long fluffy ears and long tusks. Look how cute. Oh, and that's Bobo, the evil twin. I told her a few tricks. Watch this. Speak! Wow, I'm French. Wow, okay, turns bien. Now freeze. I thought it was funny. Everyone give Bobo a round of applause. Woo-hoo! Alrighty, we just entered the African belt, ladies and gentlemen. Look at those long necks over there. Those are called trees. Oh, and look, that's exactly how zebras sleep. On their sides, surrounded by lions, neck slightly bent. Oh no, it's dead. Tired. Yeah, rest in pieces. Oh no, look at that. Skipper Felix, I told you not to get out of the boat. Folks, does anyone know what we could do to help them? No? I got nothing. But that goes to show you, folks, skippers will go out of their limbs for their passengers. Some might say the Brandon's trying to get his point across in the end. Oh, but hey, before I forget, if you look close, caterpillars aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. They used to be caterpillars. I look, the one on top, she's my favorite. Her name's Annette. She's a catch. Alrighty, folks, it's finally here, the moment you've been waiting for. The beautiful, the amazing, the eighth wonder of the world, the planet side of water. Oh, 2-8. Oh, 2-8. Yeah. Guys, I only heard half of the vote. What happened to the rest? You guys were, oh, too late. Oh, too late. Oh, tough crowd. Alrighty, well, I do want to show you guys something. This rock, please don't take it for granted. Guys, it was a rock solid joke. Okay, wow. Alrighty, well, I have to show you guys something. My favorite plants, I'll point them out for you. That's it. Alrighty, well, look at that logo sitting in the tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Alrighty, folks, well, I am going to address the elephant in the room. Trader Sam has left the bank. And I'm on the other side of the river. You know, a lot of people say we force our monkey to take pictures, but that's not true at all. He does it for the exposure. Alrighty, folks, here's some round of applause. You escaped the jungle. Woohoo! I'm so sorry, folks. That's not water. It's really snot. Yeah, give yourself a round of applause. You escaped the jungle. Woohoo! Okay, we're gonna go a little bit louder so I can impress my friends, okay? Give yourself a round of applause. You escaped the jungle. Aw, you guys are so nice. Aw, you didn't have to. Alrighty, folks. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. We wouldn't want you to experience any peer pressure. Can I have everyone raise your hand? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. That's peer pressure. Alrighty, you guys have been outstanding. Truly outstanding. But in a moment, I'm gonna need you outstanding on that dock. Yeah. Oh, you know my favorite part was the crickets. Every time I made a joke. Thanks, guys. Alrighty, do you guys see these two docks here? The one on the left and the one on the right? It's called a paradox. Yeah, but do you see these two skippers on the dock? They're called the paradorks. Thank you, thank you. Alrighty, folks, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Yeah, we wouldn't want to scratch our dock. Alrighty, well, you know, this is brought to you by Complete Silence. Thank you. Alrighty, do we have any birthdays on board? Any birthdays? Do we have any birthdays, friends? A birthday! Yes, we get to sing the birthday song. Alrighty, friends, you guys are gonna start clapping like this. I didn't even say 3 yet. Come on, guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is your birthday song. It is not very long. That's it. Happy birthday! Alrighty, folks, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Thank you. Alrighty, friends, if I can have everyone raise your hands, both hands front. Everyone raise your hands. Now put them inside the boat. Thank you. Yeah, including elbows. Yeah, thank you. See what I did there? Yeah, thank you. You know, since we have a little time together, like a little bit more time together, I think we should get to know each other, right? Where are you guys from? Me too! Wow! Where are you guys from? Me too! Yeah, where are you guys from? Oh, me too! Where are you guys from? I'm sorry? No, I heard you the first time, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alrighty, folks. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. If I can have your hands inside the boat, hands inside the boat, friends. You guys have been amazing. I love you guys. I'm sorry. It's just so hard to say goodbye. These are all my friends.